As an entrepreneur, we wear a lot of hats: CEO, CFO, janitor, sales manager. One of the hat is of social media content creator. I get a lot of people asking me, Dave, should I use social media to grow my business? Should I use social media to do this? Answer is yes and yes and yes and yes. Social media is a blessing. And if as a businessman, if you're not utilizing social media to your best advantage, guess what? You're missing out a lot. I also interviewed 𝗪𝗪𝗃 𝗪𝗃. And in 𝗪𝗪𝗃 𝗪𝗃, he said that, Dave, the mistake that we made as the oldies of Bollywood as compared to the youngsters is we did not build our social media brand. And now I'm relearning and learning new things about social media. 𝗪𝗪𝗃 𝗪𝗃 is an amazing, humble human being. I loved it. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 ways to use social media to boost your business. Number 1, use social media to create valuable content. You see, if you want people to take you seriously, you got to provide immense valuable content. Meaning, what is it that would add value to them? Social media is not to just shine and brag and be self-indulgence. I see some of the people, Instagram, they're all about, hey, what am I eating? Where am I going? What am I doing? Look at this, look at that. That is not going to help you to build a followers on social media. The prime objective of creating social media content is to add valuable content so that you can add more value to people, which is appealing to them. And once they taste some kind of value, guess what? They're going to buy your product, buy your service. You see, what am I doing? I'm not creating video, what I want to share. No, I'm creating what is it that is going to add value to people. Can I give them inspiration? Can I give them steps? Can I give them processes? What is it that I can give so that people can get more value? That's number 1. Number 2, use social media to build meaningful relationships. What? Relationship banana hai social media? But yes, let me give you an example. I met some amazing people just because I was active on social media and I'm doing a lot of things on social media. So what you do offline, which is not on social media, if you bring that online, guess what? People will start recognizing you. I had this conversation with Sharan Srivatsa. He is the person who's closed $3.5 billion worth of real estate and multiple businesses. Very, very successful person. When I met him in Vancouver at Dragon Summit, I said, Sharan, can we have a selfie? Can we have a photo? You know what? He joked and he said, let's take a selfie. I'll also become famous. Like how, you're making other people famous. I was like, what do you mean? They're like, you're celebrities, man. And he's like joking everybody. This guy brings, he's hanging around with a lot of celebrities, Sania Mirza, Sonu Sood, and, one day he's going to have 𝗪𝗪𝗃 as well. So I'll become famous. So jokes apart, he recognized me because I was doing something online. And I connected with him, built a relationship with him, commenting on his post. He recognized who 𝗪𝗪𝗃 was. So when I met him in person, I built a relationship. Cameron Herold, guess what? I built a great rapport with him. I met him physically, but guess what? Immediately after I met him, I added him on Facebook. I met him in Mind Valley event. I met him on Facebook. I shared some exchange notes with him. I reminded him, hey, we met, we spoke about this. I shared some comment with him. I thought, the thing that you shared about living a minimalist life, that has really inspired me. So he remembers that, I met 𝗪𝗪𝗃 there. Then he came to Dubai, and I know he was in Dubai recording his book, audio book. I said, man, I need to reach out to him. I proposed him, after I built some relationship online, I proposed him to meet and have a lunch together. And I proposed him to have an interview. Guess what? As a humble person he is, he agreed. And guess what happened? We did an interview that you can go and check it out. It's a phenomenal interview I did. That's how you build relationship on social media. It's not just to create followers, create content, add value. Build relationship. Number 3, use social media to drive traffic to your website or to your funnel. Guess what? At the end of the day, what matters is results. Do you have call to action in your content? Are you driving people after giving value to the website? So the website goes up, view goes up. Are you bringing them to the landing pages through your links, through your post? Because what is the use if you just excite somebody and not help them to go all the way in? So in social media, you excite them, give them teaser, give them updates, give them ideas, values, systems, structure, and then you bring them for a full-fledged meal. It's like trailer and the full movie. You see, we're watching this video. I cannot teach you and give you everything, right? So through this, I'm going to drive you to either watch my videos more, or website, or the funnel, or the whatever it is, I'm going to drive somebody somewhere. Not everybody's going to join the next step, but it's okay. But idea is drive people to your website or your funnels. Number 4, use social media to stay in people's mind, at the top of their mind. You see, आज ना बहुत ही noisy world हो चुका है. The world has become very noisy. There's so many people, so many posts, so many ads, so many things going on. Moment you keep doing the ads, not ads, but just keep doing the post and keep adding value on social media, keep showing up. Even if you have crappy videos, but just show up, guess what? They will have a good recall from you, and they will remember, oh, I like this guy. Let me check out what he's doing, what she is doing. Because you stay on top of their mind, they can buy from you, they can learn from you, they can grow with you, right? They bolte na wo, out of sight, out of mind. So do not lose the opportunity to be in the sight of all the potential people who are followers, who are buyers, or who will become your future clients. Stay on top of the mind. Number 5, use social media to track the results. You see, आज any platform you go to, all the platforms have the analytics that you can track. How would you know if your influence and impact is growing? How would you know that you're becoming known? The only way to do that is by track the numbers. You see, we track YouTube analytics, we track Insta analytics. Now we're improving, we're not there yet. By the time you're watching it, maybe we are there. But you see, we keep tracking the numbers on how much of impact we're creating. You see, my goal, my mission, my vision is transform 1 billion lives. How would I know whether I reached 1 billion or not? Is by tracking the numbers. So converting the followers into the clients into the future passionpreneurs. That is what I'm looking at. So these are the 5 reasons how anybody can use social media and why you must use social media for your advantage. Now, if you want to learn more, check out and subscribe to the YouTube channel where I keep sharing this valuable content. Check out the other videos as well that you can learn and grow with me. This is 𝗪𝗪𝗯𝗵 signing off. Until next time, God bless you.